create an account on BlueGPT. You just need to go to the bluegpt.app on your link, and then from there you can see this login and sign up options. Click on the sign up right here in order to create an account. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the sign up page that will ask you for your email and a password that you want to use. You can also use in here Google if you want to. So it really depends on you. So if you use your email right here, they typically ask for a verification code. However, if you use Google, they don't ask for it anymore, and it's a more seamless process. So for that, I'll head over and then using here Google in order to sign up. Once I have clicked on that, I just need to choose in here my Google that I will be able to use for BlueGPT. From in there, click on continue right here in order to sign into this particular AI tool. And then from in there, it should be able to show me the platform. And as you can see, this will log in me to my account. And I should be able to see in here now the chats that I have. So that's how you create an account on BlueGPT. Hope you have